President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. once again emphasized the continuous support of the government for those affected by the Canlaon volcano eruption. The chief executive has also directed relevant agencies to provide strong assistance to affected residents. PTV's Kenneth Paciente tells us more.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. assured that the government is focused on assisting those affected by the eruption of Canlaon volcano. He guaranteed that the full force of the government is monitoring the situation and emphasized the immediate provision of assistance. One of the government's priorities is to ensure the safety of residents living near the volcano.
Mahigit 45,000 residente ang linikas na mula sa 6-kilometer radius danger zone, habang target naman na ilikas ang kabuuang 84,000 na katao. Tinitiyak ng DSWD na sapat ang mga family food pack, non-food item, malinis na tubig, hygiene kits para sa mga evacuation center.
The DSWD also assured that family food packs, non-food items, clean water and hygiene kits are sufficient for evacuation centers. The DBM, on the other hand, has been directed to allocate funds for those affected, while the DOH is on alert for possible health issues due to volcanic ash and is ready to send additional medicines to the area. The AFP, PNP, and Bureau of Fire Protection have been placed on alert throughout the island of Negros in case the situation worsens.
We will step up. We will level up. Any escalation in damages and destruction will be met with a stronger government response.
The President also highlighted the importance of accurate information during disasters, as it is crucial to ensure the safety of many. He urged affected residents to follow authorities' instructions.
Malaki ang papel ng komunikasyon sa mga araw na ito. Truth will save lives. Fake news will kill. Effective disaster response is anchored on reliable information. That's why PhilVox will continue to issue around-the-clock advisories in language that is clearly understood to all our kababayans. Nakikiusap ako sa lahat, lalo na sa ayaw lumikas na sumunod sa babala ng ating mga otoridad. Mas mahalaga po ang buhay kaysa ari-arian.
From PTV Manila, Kenneth Paciente, Balitang Pambansa.